In the vast steppes of Mongolia, a figure emerged who would forever alter the course of history. Genghis Khan. Born as Temujin, he endured a childhood marked by hardship and loss, yet these challenges shaped him into a formidable leader. Genghis Khan united the nomadic tribes of the Mongolian plateau, harnessing their strengths and transforming them into a single, fiercely loyal force. His vision extended beyond the horizon, aiming to create a vast empire that would stretch across continents. Genghis Khan's conquests were characterized by relentless strategies and innovative warfare techniques. Harnessing the mobility of his horsemen, he struck swiftly, using cunning and adaptability to overcome larger, entrenched forces. Cities fell before his approach, often yielding to his demands without bloodshed, while others faced the full might of his army when resistance was met. The siege of cities like Zhongdu depicted his tactical prowess as he employed psychological warfare, spreading fear and uncertainty among his enemies. His legacy was not solely built on destruction. He also established trade routes, promoted cultural exchanges, and implemented a law code known as the Yasa, which reinforced order within his expanding territories. As his empire flourished, Genghis Khan became a symbol of unification across disparate peoples, blending traditions and ideas. His conquests laid the groundwork for the Silk Road's resurgence, connecting East and West in unprecedented ways. This led to the exchange of goods, technology, and knowledge, bridging cultural divides that had persisted for centuries. However, Genghis Khan's ambition also sowed seeds of controversy, as his campaigns left a trail of devastation. Despite the horrors associated with his conquests, his ability to foster tolerance and promote local customs within his empire demonstrated a more complex legacy. The Mongol Empire became a mosaic of cultures where various religions and traditions coexisted, paving the way for future generations to build upon his achievements. In contemporary discussions, Genghis Khan remains a double-edged sword, a figure of unrelenting conquest and a champion of interconnectedness. His impact resonates today, inspiring both admiration and criticism. Routes once tread by his warriors now serve as pathways for global commerce and cultural exchange. As Mongolia remembers Genghis Khan, bustling cities retain elements of his legacy, where history is engraved in every step of the land he once roamed. His story is a compelling reminder of the transformative power of vision, leadership, and unyielding ambition in shaping the world.